Hi everyone, it's your girl Viv, and on today's video is a little bit of a different video. I don't think I've ever really done one of these on my channel before, and I'm having a hard time filming, trying to decide what angle I want to do this at. But basically today we are here in Paisley's room, and you guys kind of saw already before I sat down in front of it that there is a giant lump of doll clothes here on the ground in Paisley's room. Now this is because I have not cleaned this lump of doll clothes in about 5 months because I was waiting to do this video until I had time. So I finally got around to doing it. So for today's video, we are not only going to be tackling this mess, we're going to be cleaning it up. I'm also going to try to figure out how many doll clothes I actually have. I need to clean up this pile, and then as well as this pile here, which is, I'm going to guess, at least 50 pieces of clothing. We have this drawer over here on the side, which I will show. We also have a drawer down here, and two little shoe boxes full of doll clothes. So let's go ahead and get started because this might take a while. So I think the first thing that I'm gonna do is empty everything. I'm gonna take everything out and bring it to my bed area, which is where we're gonna be doing all the sorting. Okay, so I went ahead and I grabbed all of the clothes that were on Paisley's floor, and then I moved them to my bed, and this pile is a lot bigger than I thought it was gonna be. So what I think I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna grab all of my doll clothes and put them here, so that way I can just mark them down as I collect the items. And then I'm also gonna separate things that I wanna wash and then things that I wanna sell as well. So I went ahead and I emptied all the doll clothes out onto the bed, and then I put Paisley beside the pile just for reference, and holy cow, this pile is 18 inches tall. Like, I probably could have stacked it up a little bit more, or a little bit less, give or take, but this is a lot of doll clothes. Tune to my Instagram, then I will probably be either selling, giving away, or doing trades on a lot of these items, most likely. So if you guys are interested in picking up some of my old doll clothes, which are in great condition, by the way, Paisley and Mel only really wear these items like once or twice, then I would highly recommend that you go follow me there. But let's go ahead and get started with sorting this. It is 5:11 right now. Let's see how long this takes. So to give you an idea of how I'm going to keep track of this, I've made this little system. So I have shirts, sweaters and jackets, shorts, pants, dresses, and kind of like rompers, and then accessories, and then under each individual section there is a category for bought and made, and then I'm just gonna do tallies for all of them. So yeah, that's how we're gonna get it.
Hey, I woke up this morning with the sunshine in my eyes. I probably hit the snooze like 3 or 4 times. Hopped out of bed and I get up online. Ooh, the weather said it's gonna be about 85. Let's go. Okay, now that sound like a good day. I probably ride my skateboard all around my neighborhood, and get some of those tacos from that truck that's on Cedar. It's carrots, jalapenos, and Jarditos Mandorino. Let's go.
I totaled up the number, and it's actually a lot less than I expected it to be, but it's still quite a bit. So in total, I have 250 items of doll clothing, and that's not including like socks and underwear or other accessories like headbands, shoes, and bags, because I just didn't feel like counting those. So yeah, but in terms of shirts, sweaters, jackets, shorts and skirts, pants, dresses, and jumpsuits, and rompers, overalls, etc., and like accessories like scarves and hats, I have 250 pieces of clothing for my American Girl dolls. So my friends, this is what 250 items of doll clothes looks like. It's pretty insane, but I am glad that I have sorted this all out. And you know what's crazy actually? So I started cleaning this at 5:11. It is 6:14 right now, so it took me only about an hour and a couple minutes to get that all sorted, so that's really cool. So anyways guys, that is it for today's video. I really hope you enjoyed it. If you did, be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more videos like this, other American Girl doll videos, like videos on how to create some of the garments in my 250 piece doll clothes collection, hairstyle videos, and vlog videos as well. And yeah, if you have any suggestions on what type of videos you want to see, maybe like a storage video on how I store all my doll clothes, be sure you let me know in the comment section down below. And once again, don't forget to follow me on Instagram because I will most likely be giving away and selling some of these doll clothes to downsize my collection. Again, thank you so much for watching this video. I'm gonna go put all this stuff away and I'll see you next time for another video. Bye!